Hi everyone, we're here for another Magnesium Minute. I'm Aaron and I'm with Josh. Today we're going to talk about casting, right? That's really what we specialize in. We're going to take a step back from magnesium.
Yeah, when selecting a casting process, you want to look at the volume of your job. If you're looking at tens or hundreds of parts, sand casting, thousands of parts, permanent mold casting, or higher than that, high pressure die casting. You see these bottom two more prototyping generally in our work.
And when we talk about high pressure die casting, we have our machines divided into two segments, cold chamber and hot chamber. A picture of each one of these here will go into a little bit of the detail, but these machines are enormous, right? Even small machines wouldn't fit in this room, and our large machines wouldn't fit in this building, right?
Correct.
Talking about hot chamber, the way to think about hot chamber is the molten metal in this area here contains the plunger that's actually going to push the molten metal into the tool steel itself. And Josh, this happens at high pressure and high speed. What type of speed are we talking? Milliseconds.
You're filling the part.
Yep. Yeah. Thousands of PSI in milliseconds. Cold chamber machines are a little different. The plunger resides outside of molten metal. Molten metal is poured into the sleeve, and then the plunger pushes into the tool. And this is more for aluminum processes.
Less suited for magnesium.
That's right. That's right. Why that's important? Magnesium for us has a low affinity to steel. And what that does is it extends our tool life, right?
Right. 250,000 shots per tool. You can do quite a bit of volume on one tool.
Right. And if we go back to our original graphic, you see tooling cost is expensive in high pressure die casting. That's why volume makes sense.
As we make more volume, the cost comes down.
That's right.
Remember, lightweight is great.
On the Magnesium Minute.